Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Christmas tree decoration accessories. Crochet stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make a slip knot. After slip knot, make as many as chain crochet stitches as you want. You want a smaller ring, bigger ring. When you are done with desired chain crochet stitches, now we join first and last stitch. See, first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, see, we are getting this kind of ring, but we are going to make it strong. So after that we make a chain crochet stitch and then yarn over. Insert the needle from inside of that circle, grab the yarn and pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So in this similar pattern, we are going to make all our half double crochet stitches. We will yarn over, insert a needle from the inside of the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So in similar fashion, we have to go on making half double crochet stitches till our complete ring is covered. Our first and last stitch are like one beside the other. Okay. So I'll just complete this half double crochet stitches and I will show you. If any of you want to refer slow tutorial video for half double crochet stitch, please link is given in the description. So you can refer that link, refer that video. It is quite easy to understand and slow demonstration is given. See here, all our half double crochet stitches are done. Okay. Now, see, our first and last stitch are one beside the other. Now we join first stitch with the last stitch with a slip stitch. See, our ring is ready. Following exactly same pattern, we have to make two such rings. Okay, now we will change our yarn. Just cut that yellow color. Keep two loops on your needle and grab new yarn and pull through those two loops and make a chain crochet stitch. So your new yarn is added. Now see, we will join these two rings together using double crochet stitch. So yarn over. Insert your needle from one stitch of this circle and other stitch of next circle. So two parallel stitches, insert your needle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, make two double crochet stitches in each stitch. See, this is the second one. Okay, see, we have joined one stitch. So in similar form, you have to join all your stitches. You have to yarn over, insert your needle from two parallel stitches, next two parallel stitches, grab the yarn, pull through and make your double crochet stitch. Again one more double crochet stitch. We have to make two double crochet stitches in each stitch. With the help of two stitches, we will join down two stitches, but we are going to make those two in one stitch only. Okay, same pattern we have to follow all over and we have to join those two rings completely. I'll just complete those two rings and I'll show you. Now see, here we have joined up both the rings. So, this is how it looks. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. first and last stitch with the slip stitch. There we make our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now after that we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around in upper end of the stitch. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with one slip stitch in each single stitch, that round in upper end. Now in the downside of the same particular stitch we will make 1 slip stitch, because like we don't want that stitches to be seen, we want a smooth circle. Okay, so see now the downside, see then the downside of the stitch we will again start making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, see the downside of every stitch. Getting? So that we have to do all around the circle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now our ring portion is complete. We will keep it aside. Now we will work on the bow. We need to make a bow on it. So we are just make a slip knot and go on making chain crochet stitches. How many? 40, 50, 60. It depends on you, like how you want to make the bow. It's like only 2 folds or 4 folds or 3 folds. So I am taking like 50 stitches, 50 chain crochet stitches. You take as per your wish. If you want to show 3 folds, 4 folds, 5 folds, depends on you. Once you are done with your chain crochet stitches, starting from the first stitch itself, we will make 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch till the last stitch. Okay, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch till the last stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with our that line. Okay, belt. Now we will just stitch it in a bow pattern. See, like make one fold here, one fold over here, and just stitch it here. If you want to place some pearl or some anything what you want to decorate, you can put all. You can normally stitch it like that also, like 2 folds or 3 folds or 4 folds. So whatever you are comfortable with, just make those folds, make it in a bow form and stitch it. Okay, and make a chain of chain crochet stitches and hang that join that 2 end of the chain, see like this, to that's ring, so that you can hang it on the Christmas tree. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thank you so much. Thank you for staying till end. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.